Hey guys, so today I'm gonna try to attempt to make a cloud in my mouth. So the first step is click. You know how you click your mouth like this? Just do that, but inside your mouth. I will demonstrate. But you gotta make sure that when you do this, that it's tight, because like I tried it before, can't do it without your hand. So you need to do that for 30 seconds, then pressurize it like this. So you hear that click, like when it's about to pop out, like, well, then pressurize it and then blow out. Now the physics here behind it is that when you click your tongue, it makes little water droplets that can evaporate easier, and then so that's the clicking part, and then the pressurizing makes it a more humid temperature, which would make it evaporate, and to make it a cloud, and then when it comes out, it's a cloud because physics. So if you want to try that at home, do it. I could not do it somehow, but you try. Maybe you'll get it. Tell me if you get it in the comments below.